Hi, my dear students. Good morning, all of you. Today, I'll discuss with the preparations of carboxylic acid. Preparation of preparation of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids. Okay, I hope already few preparations already explained in previous video. Now, with the it is a from Grignard reagent. Okay, from Grignard reagents. From Grignard reagent. I think you people know very well Grignard reagent, that is a RMGX. It is the Grignard reagent. Very, very important, my dear students. Suppose, say here, it is a RMGX with the CO2. RMGX with the CO2. RMGX plus CO2 in presence of dry ether. It is very important, my dear students. Dry ether. Okay, again on hydrolysis, we will get RCOOH. It is a carboxylic acid is formed. This is for preparation of, it is a carboxylic acid. It is very simple. Okay, between it is a RMGX. RMGX is react with the CO2 to form in presence of dry ether. Further on hydrolysis to form, it is a carboxylic acid. This is for the preparation of, it is a carboxylic acid. What is the mechanism, my dear students? Mechanism. Okay. So here, okay, very important. It is a, suppose if you take, it is a RMGX plus CO2. C double bond O and a double bond O. Lone pair, lone pair, lone pair, lone pair. Each oxide contains two lone pairs here. So it is it is a negative charge, it is a positive charge. Next one, what happened here? Maybe these two electrons are shifting to here, or these two electrons are shifting here. Maybe these electrons are shifting here only. Okay, carbon acquires a positive charge. Oxygen acquires a negative charge. Gives rise in presence of dry ether. It is a very important, my dear students. In presence of, it is a dry ether. Next one, what happened here? This R minus is attacking here only. Okay, this group is attacking, it is a here only. What is the form, my dear students? See here. So this one, it is a C double bond O. Very important, my dear students. C double bond O. Okay, this group is attacking, it is a, or this group is attacking here only. Next one, it is a oxygen. This oxygen, it is a MgX. Next, it undergoes hydrolysis. What happened, my dear students? So it is a very, very simple, my dear students. Here bond breaking. Okay, here one OH. Okay, it is OH. Here H and OH. What is the product, my dear students? Product is a R. Okay, R. C double bond O and OH plus it is a MgOH. It is a X. This is the byproduct. This is a main product. This is the mechanism of, it is a RMGX. It is very important, my dear students. Very simple mechanism from Grignard reagent. Okay. Next one. Suppose if you take this a C6H5. I'll take one example. Okay, this is for general equation. Suppose if you take this a now it is a C6H5. It is a C6H5. It is a MgX plus it is a CO2. Okay, it is very, very important, my dear students. Same thing, it is a C double bond O and double bond O. Here bond breaking, it is a minus charge, it is a plus charge. Okay, these electrons are shifting here only, that is a oxygen. Okay, I hope see here. Okay, this one I'll explain clearly. Plus, it is a C double bond O and a C double bond O. Lone pair, and lone pairs. See here. These two electrons are shifting here. It is minus charge, it is a plus charge. This group is attacking here only. This group is attacking, okay, here only. You will get that. What happened, my dear students? See there. It is C double bond O, lone pair and a lone pair. Next one, it is a O. Okay, O, it is a MgX. Okay, next one, it is a C6, it is a H5. Again on hydrolysis. What happened here? Here bond breaking, here H and here OH. Okay. What is the main product, my dear students? It is a C6H5 COOH plus it is a MgOH and X. This is the benzoic acid. In this method, we have to prepare it is a benzoic acid also. Benzoic acid. What is this one? What is the specification for this one? We have to prepare aliphatic acid as well as it is a aromatic acid only. We have to prepare in this method. Okay. Next one. Next preparation from it is a alkyl. It is very important. From alkyl halide. Okay. Next preparation from alkyl halides. Okay, again here two methods are there. That is a first method via nitrate. And the second method is it is a via RMGX. I think you know it is RMGX. It is a Grignard reagent. First of all, what happened here? It is a alkyl halide. Suppose it is a RCl. In presence of it is a KCN. It is a potassium cyanide. That is a Cl is replaced by it is a Cn. That is a RCN. This is the nitrile. Okay, very important, my dear students. Okay, next one. It is a what you observe here. Alkyl cyanide or alkyl nitrate on hydrolysis to form it is a RCOOH. It is a carboxylic acid. It is very, very important, my dear students. Okay, you have to remember this one. I think you know. Okay, previous class we will discuss with the same thing. It is from nitrile. Nitrile undergoes hydrolysis. Middle compound is the amide is formed. Amide again on hydrolysis to form it is a carboxylic acid. Suppose I take this one. It is a CH3. It is a Cn plus KCN. Okay, what happened, my dear students? KCN. You will get it is a CH3 C triple bond N. Okay, so it is a ethane nitrile. Ethane nitrile again on hydrolysis. Okay, on hydrolysis you will get CH3 C double bond O and NH2. This is a amide. This is the intermediate compound. Again on hydrolysis, what happened here, my dear students? It is a CH3COOH, acetic acid, and ammonia gas is liberated. It is very important, my dear students. So this is for via alkyl nitrile. In case here, it is a C there. It is a general equation, that is RCl is react with the magnesium metal in presence of it is a dry ether. It is a dry ether. What happened, my dear students, here? It is a RMGCl. That is a RMGCl. It is a Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is reactive to CO2. Previous class we discussed CO2 in presence of it is a dry ether. Okay, and on hydrolysis you will get it is a RCOOH. It is a carboxylic acid. Okay, just now we are discussing this one from alkyl halides. Two methods are there, from nitrile and from RMGX. From RMGX, what happened here? First of all, alkyl halide react with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether to form RMGX. RMGX react with CO2 in presence of dry ether again on hydrolysis to form it is a carboxylic acid. It is very important, my dear students. So this is for it is a from alkyl halides. And next preparation from esters. Okay, from esters. Okay, from esters. It is very important, my dear students. From esters, if you take it is a okay C6H5 from ester, it is a C6, it is H5. C double bond O and OCH3. Okay, it is a reversible reaction on hydrolysis H plus and OH minus in presence of it is a acidic medium. It is very very important, my dear students. Okay, hydrolysis it is a H plus and OH minus. What happened, my dear students, here? It is a okay. So in this case, carbon and oxygen. It acquires partially negative charge, it acquires it is a partially positive charge. See here, it is a OH minus group is attacking here only, H plus group is attacking here only. To form it is a C6H5, okay, C6H5, C double bond O and OH. It is a benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Okay, next one. Okay, so it is a H is attacking here only, that is H plus, that is a CH3, it is OH, it is a methyl alcohol. Okay, suppose in presence of acidic medium, in presence of basic medium, what happened here? It is a CH3, CH2, it is a CH3, CH2, C double bond O and O, it is a CH3. In presence of basic medium, that is a Na plus and OH minus. My dear students, it is very important. See here. So same thing. It is a partially negative charge. It is a partially positive charge. Sodium metal. It is attacking here only. CH3COO Na. CH3CO. Okay. Sorry. It is a NaO minus. Okay. NaO minus. NaO minus ion attacking here only. H plus attacking here only. You get it is a CH3, C double bond O and ONA plus CH3COONA plus it is a CH3, it is a OH. Again on hydrolysis. Again on hydrolysis, what happened here? On hydrolysis, that is a H3O plus. On hydrolysis, here bond breaking, H is adding here, OH adding here. You will get it is a CH3, C double bond O and OH. This is the carboxylic acid. From esters, once you have to observe here. So it is a acidic medium. This is acidic medium. This is basic medium. Both the mediums we will get it is a carboxylic acids. That's all. So this is from esters. Next one from benzyl alcohol. Okay. Next preparation. Next preparation, it is a benzyl alcohol. From benzyl alcohol. It is very important, my dear students. From benzyl alcohol, it is very important. It is a benzene, right? It is benzene. CH2, it is a OH. It is a lone pair and lone pair. Okay, see here. Now you have to see there it is a H plus and Br minus. H plus and Br minus plus okay, it is a HBr. These two electrons are gained by bromine. It is a minus. It is a H. See here. This H plus attacking here only the bond formed in between carboxyl and hydrogen. You will get this compound only. See here. Okay, so now it is a this one, it is a CH2. Next one CH2 it is oxygen, very important my dear students, oxygen, and the H, okay, and CH2OH, benzyl alcohol, CH2OH, CH2Br. We get it is a oxygen, it is a plus one lone pair and hydrogen and hydrogen. Okay, next one. What happened here? It is a so it is these two electrons are converting here only. Okay, these two electrons are converting here only. That is a okay, sorry my dear students, not like that. It is a these two electrons are gained by this one. It is a minus H2O is eliminated. Br minus attacking here only. That is a benzene. It is very important benzene. It is a CH2. It is a Br. Very important. CH2Br. So CH2Br. It is a react with KCN. It is a react with KCN to form. It is a Br is replaced by Cn. You get this compound. That is a benzene CH2. It is the Cn. It is very important. CH2 it is Cn. So on hydrolysis, okay, on hydrolysis it is a on hydrolysis. What happened here? Nitrile undergoes hydrolysis to form. It is a benzamide. It is intermediate compound. It is a C double bond O and NH2 benzamide. Again on hydrolysis you get a benzoic acid. This one it is a COOH benzoic acid. Once again my dear students, from benzyl alcohol. This is benzyl alcohol, H plus and Br minus. Okay, H plus attacking here only and Br minus is this one. It is a to form this one. That's oxygen acquires it is a positive charge. Then it is a these two electrons are shifting here. So it is a okay. After then it acquires a negative charge. So bromine, sorry, it is acquires positive charge because of carbon lost electrons. Br minus attacking here only to form this one minus H2O. It is react with KCN. Br minus is removed by Cn. You get this one. It is a benzene nitrile. Okay, benzene nitrile undergoes hydrolysis to form amide, benzamide. Okay, next one. Sorry, not benzamide. I think it is a. This is the form. Okay, very my dear students. I'm sorry. It is a CH2, C double bond O and NH2. This is the compound, my dear students. Next one. Okay, so here also same. It is a COOH. It is a CH2, COOH. It is a carboxylic acid. Next one, same thing. It is a it undergoes. It is a react with the okay. This one it is a magnesium metal. You get this compound. Very important, my dear students. You get this one. It is a CH2. It is a MgBr. It is react with CO2. It is react with CO2. Okay, sorry, I'll write here only plus. It is react with CO2 in presence of dry ether. You will get this compound. It is very important, my dear students. From benzyl alcohol to form this compound. So here two methods are there. It is react with KCN to form this compound. It is react with magnesium metal to form this one. Two methods are there. This is for the preparation of carboxylic acid from benzyl alcohol. It is very important. Next one. Next preparation. My dear students, next preparation. This one it is a from alkyl benzene. From alkyl benzene. From alkyl benzene. From alkyl benzene. Suppose, see there, it is a toluene. It is a CH3. Alkyl benzene in presence of KMnO4, potassium permanganate plus KOH basic medium on heating. What happened here? to form this one. It is a salt. Okay, potassium salt is formed. It is a COOK. It is a salt. Next one again on heating. Okay, again on heating you get a benzoic acid. It is very important, my dear students. It is a benzoic acid. Similarly, see there, like that. Suppose it is a CH, okay, and CH2, CH3, sorry, it is CH3, it is a CH3. Same conditions, KMnO4 in presence of KOH and delta, you have to form this one, okay, that is it is a COOK salt. On heating, you get a benzoic acid. This is the benzoic acid, COOH. Next one, suppose you have to take this one. It is very, very important, my dear students. Okay, C, it is a CH3, it is CH3, it is a CH3. Okay, on same thing, undergoes oxidation in presence of KMnO4 and KOH and delta. There is no reaction. Suppose, so here this carbon, there is no hydrogen. In case this carbon contains hydrogen, it undergoes, this carbon contains hydrogen, it undergoes this reaction to form carboxylic acid. Very, very important, my dear students. So this is here three hydrogens are there. Here one hydrogen, here there is no hydrogen. At least one hydrogen is present in that carbon to form, it is a carboxylic acid. It is from, it is a alkyl benzene. Okay. In the last preparation, I think it is a last preparation, my dear students. That is the, okay, it is very important. Acyl chloride from acyl chloride. It is very important, my dear students. From acyl chloride. Suppose it is a CH3, C double bond O, it is Cl. In presence of, it is a H2O. In presence of, it is a H2O. What happened, my dear students? So it is a, these two, okay, electrons are gained by chlorine. It is eliminated as a Cl minus. Lone pair and lone pair. It is a positive charge. These lone pair involved in the bond formation in between carbon and oxygen to form this one only. That is a CH3, C double bond O, and it is the oxygen. It is a plus lone pair hydrogen. Next one. This is very important, my dear students. Next one, it is a one more hydrogen is there. Gives rise to what happened here. These two electrons are gained by this only. It is eliminated as a H plus. This H plus and the Cl minus, it is a minus HCl. You will get a CH3, C double bond O and OH. This is a carboxylic acid. It is very, very important. Similarly, you will take, it is a benzyl chloride. It is a benzyl chloride. Same thing. It is a C6H5, C double bond O, it is Cl. In presence of, it is a H2O. Same thing. These two electrons are gained by chlorine. It is eliminated as a Cl minus. It acquires positive charge. So lone pair, any one lone pair involved in the bond formation here. It is a C6, C double bond O and O plus hydrogen and the hydrogen gives H2. So these two electrons are gained by oxygen. Okay, so next one, it is eliminated as a H plus. This H plus and the Cl minus both are combined. It is a minus HCl is eliminated. Next one, it is a C6H5COOH. It is a benzoic acid.